Hello friends, I'm trying some Gobos. They are the Gobos that you can obtain from the Blender market from gen.mock. Gen.mock? I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And it kindly offers the affiliate program, so I'm really trying to see what this is about. What is this about? And it looks really nice. I like it. You can easily, instead of adding just empty scenery, like just light, but instead of adding just an empty scenery, we can add some gobos to give it a better looking theme. It was I didn't have that lamp so powerful, but it's for the GoPros to be visible. And this is really nice. So you can easily have a nice shot, more pleasant one. And let's try a few of them. This is the basic pack I bought myself. And let's try some trees. See? And yeah. This is the lamp. You can rotate it to the point that you want. And it's just a texture on the lamp, basically. And then let's try it. So kind of fun. And stars, because Shar is a star. See how it looks. Looks really nice. Nice and subtle effect. Perhaps some of these bokeh. And even here like windows. Cathedral windows. So kind of cool. Like yeah, it is really easy to set up, and the results looking really great. To give some life, some more extra life, very cheaply, like inserting the shelter in the scenery very easily. This you can add a little bit of mood to your scene. Like so, let's try to render it and see how it goes. And yeah, this only works on cycles as far as I can tell, because only the lamps on cycles seem to have an option to load the texture. It would be cool if perhaps in Eevee Next or something like that this was also possible. But for now, I think that it's only on cycles. So yeah, this is just me playing around, but yeah, kind of super cool.